Hello everyone, what's going on? This is my another video that I'm recording right now. Now this is a voiceover of my previously recorded uh, trading session. I'm doing just a voiceover. Let's see what I did here. So we can see that my horizontal line is actually placed on the upper wick of this green candle, right? This was the higher high, and buyers broke this higher high and the sellers are becoming retracement, right? Okay, so let's see what I did here. Okay, I may have waited on this candle to see that if the buyers are able to break this candle or not. Unless they break this candle, I'm not going to uh, continue with the buyers. We can see the sellers entry. They're forcefully trying to close the candle below the previous wick. And we can see that the buyers are not even trying to go above this previous candles upper wick. Okay, so I placed this put option trade here because I thought that the buyers are very weak, and this gap up actually was done by the buyers most probably. And the reason is that if this buyer's candle is closed below this uh, previous candle's upper wick, then they shouldn't make a gap here, right? So it was probably done by the buyers, but I actually traded for put option because, like I told already, the sellers are strong. Yeah, that's why. Now I placed my horizontal line at this buyer's point, and we can see that the candle was closed above this green candle, sorry, above this horizontal line, right? Not above, let's say at this horizontal line. Okay, and then there was this gap up. Now I actually thought that this candle was the gap up was done by the sellers, but it was wrong, I guess, because this is a strong point. Okay, this was a higher low, you could say this was a higher low, and it was the support of doji. So this is a strong point, and the candle is, it doesn't matter if it was a gap up or gap down, right? It is still above this point, right? So that's why it became a green candle. Let's see what I did next. And there was this news. I normally don't trade after the news candle, or if I trade, I trade on after 15 or 30 minutes. But let's see what I did. Okay, I was still trading, so I was actually waiting for the sellers to break this horizontal line, and the sellers actually broke this line, so I went for put option, I think. I was waiting for a good entry point. and I got the entry, but I may have missed this trade. Yes, I may have missed this trade. Okay, I actually okay, I actually I remember this situation, right? I actually placed a lot of trades in here at first, but the trades were not placed because of Cortex's late trade placing, right? So I placed a lot of trades in here because I was really sure about this trade, that this should become a red candle, and and it became messy. So ultimately it was a winning trade for me because the upper, I actually took my trade above this at the opening of this candle, so it was a winning trade. And the last trades were placed because of this situation. Let's see what else happened. So this candle should become a red candle by the story, because this red candle actually gave us a continuation and it made a very new low, you know. But we can see that there is a strong buyer's candle, so it might indicate that the buyers are uh, getting their strength back, you know. They are returning to their strong position. And we can see that the buyers are actually becoming retracement here, right? And now they're making big green candles. If we analyze the previous 2 or 3 green candles, right, the buyers were weak and now they're uh, making strong candles, so it indicates that the buyers are ready to start a green start an uptrend. Let's see what happened in the market. My logic behind placing this trade was that but let's see what happened in here. You can see the buyer's entry, but the sellers are actually pushing the candle, which is a dangerous situation. And lastly it became a green candle, but it closed at a resistance, right? It closed resistance the previous week. It closed at the previous upper week, so we can't continue here, and this candle made a new low. So this to continue on this candle will be a stupid move. And now we can see that the buyers are actually coming from this support, right? So this is our support right now. If this support gets broken, we can go for down option, and it broke. Okay, so my video is ended here. That means I ended my session right here. I did not place any trades anymore. So this was it, and hopefully I will make a new video. Thank you for watching.